briefly covered in our demo. Okay, so what is the architecture of your INT-IQ? The architecture of INT-IQ is this. This diagram is very, very important, and if you understand this, you are your understanding of this is related to process. Okay, whether your company is following certain rules or certain processes in place. Why is it important? It is important because to standardize yourself, right? If you are a consumer of Maggi or some noodles, you want to be sure that Nestle is following some rules. That is the reason why Nestle packet has ISI, trademark or whatever, ISI 9001 registered. Who are these ISI ones? These are the people who are authorized in saying that I have gone there and I have checked, and Nestle can be trusted. Okay. Similarly, your compliance manager is something that you are following internally in your organization. When a proper audit or something happens, okay, your compliance manager helps you in telling the third-party auditors or somebody that your product is kind of good, and your organization is following some good processes inside. Okay, for that you cannot just maintain books or something, right? Or generate database reports and show it. No one will trust you. Okay, you need to have a good product in place. Every company has audit management processes or products. This INT-IQ provides that for access related things. Okay, where they handle customer sensitive data like banking information and all. Okay, such things are maintained by this compliance manager. Okay, so that is one module of it. Okay, so when you go to an organization, if someone talks to you about creating of certificates and all, you immediately to strike to you have to learn about compliance manager. Okay, compliance manager module is what you have to learn learn about. Lifecycle manager installation doesn't come with the basic installation of SailPoint IQ. Okay, that means not everyone would get SailPoint with your lifecycle manager. So that has that itself should create an impression that lifecycle manager is kind of an important module. Okay, not everyone would get it. Okay, so you can do a lot of scoping, saying that only administrators would get lifecycle manager role and all these kind of things internally in the system setup. Okay, but lifecycle manager, what has it got to do is basically with the access requests and business event triggers. All these are related to creation and ending of certain things. Okay, create a user, terminate a user. The user form changes. That means the role of the user changes from developer to senior developer. All these things are very, very important, right? When you talk about access management, 60 to 70% of it is about managing the life cycle of the identities. That means the company's users. So lifecycle manager is something that deals with that particular thing inside the organization. Okay, the life cycle of identities, accounts, groups. Identities are also called as accounts. Groups are nothing but logical grouping of some identities. All developers, all senior developers, all architects, all managers, all directors. Such groups. You want to maintain a life cycle at group level also, right? All directors need to have certain things. Need to create some reports or something like that. Okay, those kind of grouping is also needed. So life cycle deals with allocation of things or life cycle of groups as well, not just accounts. Okay, now lifecycle manager closely integrates with access manager module. So this access manager module is is primarily, as you can see, it is for cloud application access. Cloud application access is basically it's not on premise, it is there provided by the whoever is the owner of the cloud installation of SailPoint. Mostly it is SailPoint itself. Okay, so access manager provides your application wherever your applications are stored. Okay,